Many people know how to spend money, and when it comes to learning how to save money, it's entirely a different story. And here are some of the reasons why you can't seem to save money. You are working without a budget, you don't have clear financial goals, you have lots of debts, you are making excuses of how you can't seem to save enough money, and you don't have an emergency fund. And in this video, I'll be going through the steps that you can take or undertake if you want to start saving money. So we'll be looking at the steps on how you can fix the problem rather than focusing on the reasons why you can't seem to save enough money. Step number one is that you need to create a budget. This is very important. Don't see a budget as a restrictive tool. See it as a tool that will help you manage your money on where it's going each and every month. Don't think about trying to create a complicated spreadsheet. Do it this way. Have 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for your paying debt and also for saving. This way it's clear and it's simple. You manage your money in that order. That way it's not complicated and it's not daunting for you to look at your budget each and every month. Keep it simple. Know where your money is going each and every month. And step number two is that you need to automate your savings. This is very, very important. This thing of saying, I'll just transfer the money into this account, it will never happen. If you are aiming to say, I'm going to save $500 and month end comes and you're saying you're just going to transfer the money yourself, trust me, you will transfer $300. So automate your savings. So once you have drawn your budget and you know where your money is going each and every month, automate your savings. Make sure that at the end of the month, a debit order is coming out or a standing order is coming out of your account and it's going to various accounts. This thing of saying I can do it myself, trust me, it never works. You always underpay yourself. So make sure you automate your savings. And step number three is that you need to set clear financial goals. What is your short-term goal? What is your medium goal? What is your long-term goal? Define it. If you can't at the moment, for example, save for your long-term goals and you have small things that you need to deal with on your short-term and your medium-term goal, start with those, because sometimes I feel like we overwhelm ourselves. We have big ideas, big dreams, but our salary cannot cover those things. That's why we end up finding ourselves taking expensive debt in a form of interest that's very, very high, because we want to do things that our salary cannot afford. So if you set clear financial goals, this will help you see if you can afford a certain thing that you really want. For example, if your short-term goal is to say, I want to take an expensive trip and go overseas on a holiday, can your salary manage for you to be able to take that trip? If it can't, that's where you see where you need, how you need to do it, because most of us want to live above our means because we think that I can do this holiday, I can get the credit, I can go on a holiday, I can buy this expensive bag. But having goals makes you see if you can really afford the things that you want, because most of us want the expensive life, but we can't really afford it. Our salary cannot manage for those things. And step number four, for you to be able to save more money, is that you need to create a side hustle. If you know that your short-term goal, your medium-term goal, and your long-term goal has lots of things that you know that your salary cannot achieve, why not start a side hustle? This is something that will help you increase your income and you can be able to meet your goals quicker without taking debt for you to do the things that you want. So it's very important. So these are the 4 steps that you need to do if you want to start saving more money and actually stay consistent. Let's not make excuses of saying, I can't save because of this, I don't have enough money. But you can increase your income if your goals are bigger than your salary. You can increase your income. Oh, I can't save because of that, I have lots of debts. You can start paying down that debt using the 2 methods that I've talked about before, the snowball method or the avalanche method. Oh, I can't do this because of this. Did you set clear financial goals? So those are the things that you need to start looking at when you want to save more money. I didn't want to focus on the problems. I wanted us to focus on the things that you need to do to fix the problem that you have. So I do hope that this video has been good and it has kind of awakened your thinking about how you can go about it if you want to save more money.